Hey, this is my bike check. I got new felt bars. I don't know, has a dance comp sticker on it. Dance comp sticker, whatever. Felt bars and this Odyssey brake cable. I got fit stock stem and these felt bars. These felt bars are 20 ounce. Really make my bike really back heavy. I can't remember what kind of pegs I got. Other one didn't fit my back. Only for the front. Tried drilling through, didn't work. So now I only have one peg and I look like a freaking retard. I just ordered a new brake system for my bike. KMC chain. Green sprocket. Fit 2.25 tires. Weinman front rim and back rim. Fit headset, fit forks. My bike is really back heavy now due to the handlebars because they're really light. And I ordered some ODI grips and bar ends off of Dance Comp Zach, so now, you know, my bike is gonna get better. Trying to get everything custom on my bike except for the frame. So yeah, comment and rate my bike 1 through 10. So, oh yeah, KMC non-rustable chain. So yeah, see you. And it also has tubes, foam tubes. So they're not air, they're just air foam. Well, they're not air foam. They're just like completely foam, so they won't pop. So all you have to do is just imagine that thing on there. Okay, so yeah, rate my bike 1 through 10. See ya.